In this video, I'll be showing you how to send bulk WhatsApp message using a simple tool. This software offers a convenient and efficient way for business to reach large audience, improve customers' engagement, and streamline internal communication. It allows you to send many messages simultaneously to multiple recipients. All you need is to follow the step-by-step processes as we proceed. Going forward, couple of things you will learn in this full video is how to install this software. Is an extension, a Google Chrome extension, so how to install it. All right, the second thing is how to get the WhatsApp number of your niche. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to search for groups that you can extract phone numbers from for your niche. The third thing is how to filter those phone numbers. Next is how to configure the software, and finally is how to send bulk WhatsApp messages without being banned. Okay, all right, so to begin, you open your Chrome browser like this. Okay, once the Chrome browser is open, just go to the top right. You see this 4-dot menu. Click on the 4-dot menu here and then scroll down to where you find this extension. Click on extension and then select manage extension. Okay, at the top right, you see this developers mode. You have to enable your developers mode. Click on enable. So once your developers mode is enabled, I'll have to go to my desktop to show you where I have the software. Okay, this is the software. It's Wabiz 2. So I will just open the software. All right, this is just to show you how it looks. All right, so I'll go back to the Chrome browser. Then I'll click on load unpacked. I'll select desktop and look for the Wabiz on my desktop. Okay, as you can see, this is it, and then I'll select it. Once you select the Wabiz, you have to click on select folder, so it will upload automatically. All right, so to see all the extension that you have installed to your Chrome browser, you can click on this extension here and you can see it. So you can pin it from here. Okay, I just pinned it. You can see it at the top. And next, you have to install phone number extractor. Okay, so I'm going to do that by going to Chrome extension store. With the WhatsApp extractor, you can actually extract phone numbers from any group that you are a member. Okay, so I will just click this. So right here, you have to search for phone number extractor. I will just type in phone number extractor. Okay, so once this pops up, you have to select the first one. Okay, click on the first one and add to extension, add to Chrome, add extension. All right, so we have just added the phone number extractor. I will click on the extension here to pin it to Chrome. So I just pinned it. So next, we have to link our WhatsApp to web. Okay, so I'm just going to link the WhatsApp to web. I'll go to WhatsApp web. To log in, you have to scan this from your phone. Okay, now that we are logged in, next I want to show you how to join a group of your niche. Okay, let's take for instance, you do buying and selling of clothes. So what you do, you can join buying and selling of clothes groups. Okay, you can just type here buying or buy and sell clothes. Okay, probably you can still search for entrepreneur. They may need clothes to buy. Okay, so we're just going to use this as an example, buy and sell clothes. Okay, then WhatsApp group links, you can say in Nigeria or in Canada, in USA. Let's say in Nigeria, if you want to sell to Nigeria. So you just click on enter. So you're going to find a lot of groups here. So once this pops up, you have to scroll down and select one of the links. Okay, I will choose the one with nice 70 clothing. Scroll down again and then join any of the group you can see here. Okay, so I'm just going to join one of these groups. All right, I'll pick this fashion addict. Okay, then you cancel this, click on continue with WhatsApp web. So this is a WhatsApp with 146 people. So I'm just going to join the WhatsApp right away. All right, so we have just joined the WhatsApp group. You can see the total number of people in the group. So I'm just going to click on the fashion addict here and then scroll down, click view all, then go to the WhatsApp extractor, click it here at the top right, click on the WhatsApp extractor to extract all the numbers. Okay, these are all the numbers. I will just click here and then press and hold Ctrl A to select, copy, Ctrl C to copy, and then open a notepad So I'm just going to paste it in my notepad here. Control V to paste. All right, you can see what we have here. So what I'm going to do next is to just remove this. I don't need this. I'm just going to remove the Rator stars. I'll remove that and then go to the top. I'll remove this test. So after removing the test and every other thing that you don't need, you select and copy to your Excel sheet. I'll open my Excel sheet. Just trying to make it easier for you. Okay, so this is the Excel. I'm just going to paste it here. Control V to paste the numbers. So once pasted, at the top right of your Excel sheet, you are going to find this conditional formatting. But meanwhile, you have to make sure the numbers are selected. Then you go to conditional formatting, right? Click on conditional formatting, click on highlight cells, then go down to where you have duplicate values. Okay, just click on duplicate values. You can see I have some duplicate in the numbers, so I'm going to remove that. Okay, so on the menu area, you going to find this data. Click on data and then remove duplicate. That is exactly how you can remove duplicate from any Excel spreadsheet. Okay, if you have duplicate of phone numbers, you have duplicate of emails or whatsoever, this is how you actually remove them. So I will click on delete or remove duplicate and then click on OK. So we have 14 duplicates removed. So next I want to filter them. Okay, so to do that, to sort this or filter them, you have to click on sort and filter at the top right. Okay, click this and make them alphabetical. Okay, I'm just going to use the A to Z. All right, why I did that is for me to be able to separate all the numbers, like having Nigerian numbers in the same place. Okay, so as you can see, we have US number the starting point and we have Nigeria number follow suit. So but for the purpose of this video, I'm only going to use the Nigerian numbers, but I'm going to show you how you can also use other countries number using their codes. Okay, so I will select the Nigerian numbers here and then copy to a different column. I'll paste it here. So next I have to remove the color code, which is the +234. Okay, so or the core code, I have to remove the core code, which is the +234. So to do that, you just select it just like it is. Now then you press and hold the control and use the Control H. Okay, so what you're going to do here is to use +234 and you are replacing it with nothing. Okay, so you are just going to click on replace all. So by so doing, you have replaced all the core codes for Nigeria. So you just copy this number here. We have 10 numbers, so we're going to send bulk WhatsApp to 10 numbers. So if you have 100 numbers, if you have 200 numbers, you have 1000 numbers, this is just an example for you to know how to use the software. Okay, so I'll go back here and then click on the Wabis software. Okay, so once you click on the software, you are going to see the core code here. Okay, so you click here. So you have to change the core code here or the calling code. Any country you want to send your bulk WhatsApp to is what you will select here. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be doing Nigeria, which is 234. So you select Nigeria and then paste all your numbers that you copied here. Okay, so once you paste the number, the next thing you need to do is to copy your message and paste it here. So all right, now we'll open my notepad where I have my message. This is the notepad where I have my message. I will just select and copy the message. Go back to your software and then paste it here. Okay, next you have to click on send to do the other setup or the settings. So you click on I understand and then click on set message delay and batching. Now, to avoid being banned, you have to select one of these. You can either use set time delay between message or you use batch settings. So I'm just going to use set time between messages. Okay, to do that, I'm just going to use the random time. Okay, so the random time, I'm just going to use 4 seconds to say 1 minute or 59 seconds. All right, so after that, you go back to the message and then click send again. I understand you already do the setting. You can now click on continue. So in every minute you have your message sent depending on the time you set for the message to deliver. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, all the message were sent successfully, so I'll just click on confirm and continue. Alright, so that is exactly how you send your bulk messages without being banned. You can actually set this or schedule this and go to sleep and allow the software to do the work for you. Okay, if you find this video helpful or if you are just coming across this channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Drop a comment on the comment section below and tell me what you think about this video. Bye for now. See you in the next video.